Tired of spam calls and unknown numbers wasting your time? With iOS 26, you can finally screen calls directly on your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is up to date. For that, launch settings, click on General, click on the option Software Update. Make sure you are using the latest version of your iOS. Now head back, scroll all the way down and click on the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Phone and launch it. Now here you're gonna find the phone option. Navigate to the option Calls from Unknown Numbers. Here you'll see a new option Screen Incoming Calls. Enable for this option. Once enabled, here's what happens. When you get a call from an unknown number, your iPhone will automatically answer quietly. The caller will be asked to state their name and reason for calling. The response will then appear on your screen as text. From there, you can decide whether to pick up or simply ignore the call, and that's it. With call screening on iOS 26, you can stay in control and cut down on unwanted calls. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.